Adobe Premiere versus CapCut, which one's your ultimate editing sidekick? Let's dive deeper into what each of these powerful tools has to offer and help you decide which one suits your needs best. Adobe Premiere, the big league choice for pros. It's the go-to software for those who need robust features and unparalleled control over their editing projects. Think Hollywood films, documentaries, high-end YouTube videos, this software does it all. From blockbuster movies to intricate documentaries, Adobe Premiere is trusted by industry professionals worldwide. Multi-track editing, advanced color grading, audio mixing, and seamless integration with other Adobe apps. It's a powerhouse. The ability to work with multiple tracks, perform detailed color corrections, and mix audio precisely makes it a favorite among serious editors. But what about CapCut? It's the mobile-friendly wizard for social media creators. CapCut is designed for those who need to create engaging content quickly and efficiently, right from their mobile devices. Simple interface, free to use, no watermarks, and perfect for quick edits on the go. Its user-friendly design makes it accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned creators. Ideal for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. CapCut is perfect for creating short, snappy videos that capture attention on social media platforms. So what's your game? If you need professional, high-quality edits with advanced features, Adobe Premiere is your go-to. Its extensive toolset and professional-grade capabilities make it the best choice for complex projects. But if you want fast, fun, and mobile editing, CapCut's your best bet. It's perfect for those who need to edit videos on the fly and share them instantly. Choose what fits your style and start creating magic. Whether you're a professional editor or a social media enthusiast, there's a tool out there that's perfect for you. So, pick your sidekick and let your creativity flow.